In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split data into multiple cells in Google Sheets. Whether you're working with contact lists, product details, or any other data set, being able to efficiently break down data into manageable segments can save you time and enhance your data analysis process. So, let's delve into how you can do this seamlessly with Google Sheets. To start with, you'll need to access Google Sheets. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Sheets, or simply find it in your Google Workspace apps. Once you're in, open an existing spreadsheet that you'd like to work with, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. If you're using existing data, you might find the data that's currently in a single cell. Our aim is to split this data into separate cells, making it easier to analyze and work with individually. Now, click on cell B1. This will be the destination cell where the split data will begin to populate. Choosing the right cell is important as it determines where your data will split into. Ensuring you have no data you wish to keep in these cells is crucial as the split data will replace any existing content. Now, with B1 selected, we're all set to input our formula. Next, let's move to the real magic, the formula. In cell B1, type in the following formula: equals sign, split, open parenthesis, A1, comma, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, close parenthesis. It should look like this: L split, A1. What this formula does is take the data from cell A1, identifying spaces as the delimiters, and distributes each segment into its separate cell across the row. This is particularly useful, for example, for dividing full names or addresses into first names, last names, or street components. Once you've entered the formula, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Immediately, Google Sheets will work its magic, splitting the data from cell A1 into multiple separate cells starting from B1. And there you have it. Your data is now neatly divided, ready for analysis or further manipulation. If everything looks good, you can drag the fill handle down or across to apply this same splitting formula to other data entries in a column or row. So that's how you can effortlessly split data into multiple cells in Google Sheets. Don't forget, practice will make you more confident in using these formulas efficiently, and knowing how to manipulate data like this is a powerful skill for work, study, or personal projects. Thanks for watching and happy data handling.